Good morning, everyone. Now we will start the call. Um, uh, the US stock markets were down with Nasdaq falling by 1%, mainly led down by the technology sector. Um, Asian equities are uh, have opened with a downward bias as today the global markets will gear up for inflation report of US and the commentary thereof. While oil continues to inch upwards, Brent crude oil has crossed the $92 mark. So that's also a negative for global markets. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Thank you, Jian. A very good morning, all of you. So, after touching the highs of 20,100 levels, we have seen a strong profit booking from the higher levels, which took Nifty all the way to its support level of 19,900. And then the Nifty has become sideways, although Nifty didn't close that negative, but we have seen a strong selling pressure in stocks. For today, if we talk about Nifty, we're expecting a flattish opening and a sideways move during the day. The immediate support for Nifty will be around yesterday's support point, that is 19,900. And there's a 100-point support zone in Nifty, that is 19,800 and 700. Whereas if we witness an upward rally after crossing 20,050 levels, then 20,100 and 20,200 will act as very strong resistance zone. If we talk about Bank Nifty, similar thing was seen in Bank Nifty as well. Uh, apart from a few banks, all the banking stocks were in negative too. We have seen a profit booking in that as well. The immediate support for today is placed at 45,400. If we witness a closing below that, then it can reach towards 45,240 to 45,100. Whereas the upside resistance for Bank Nifty is placed at 45,800, followed by 46,000. 46,000 will act as a very crucial resistance zone for Bank Nifty. If we talk about Nifty Financial Services, close around 20,330. The immediate support for this index is placed at 20,250, followed by 2160. The resistance for this index is placed at 20,420 and 20,500. If we talk about stocks, it is going to be a very stock specific market. We feel pharma sector can perform well in this market. So we have initiated 2 buy calls on Sun Pharma and Glenmark. I think you can take a buy call in this one. For Sun Pharma, you can initiate a buy call above 1150 for a target of 1210 by keeping a stop loss of 1120. For Glenmark, a buy call can be taken above 810 for a target of 842. The stop loss for this stock is placed at 796. We have already initiated a buy call in these 2 stocks. So we request everyone to trade with strict stop losses. That's all from my side. I request Nirav to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Ayush. On the derivative front, looking at the overall positions, as we had said earlier as well, the base building was on, but 19,500 put strike, which had the highest open interest earlier, that shifted back to 19,000 strike puts, and that is why you're seeing, in the last couple of days, some sort of selling pressure has come in, especially in small cap, mid cap stocks. Nifty wise, not that much pressure, however. But now, the highest open interest are again shifted back to 19,500, which is a good sign. We are seeing some good base building around the 20,000 strike put as well. So that is now taking a leadership position. And if Nifty does cross above 20,000 and close above the same Nifty spot, you will see further buying coming in because liquidation will come in at 20,000, 2,100, 2,200 strike calls, which in turn will fuel the rally. From the other data, the open interest for Nifty is still positive, PCR positive. VIX has increased a little, but it is still below 12 levels, so nothing to worry there as well. So all in all, the data is positive, nothing to worry. We expect a positive day today. The first half an hour to 1 hour, you might see a further sell-off in the small cap and mid cap space, after the opening. But, post that, you will see some recovery coming in. So do not worry about it. Overall, the data is still positive. This is just normal profit booking. From the stock specific front, banking looks the best at this point of time. HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, they've covered a lot of short positions and they are likely to witness further buying from current levels. So, go ahead and buy these stocks. They can give good returns going forward. Yeah, that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please, now.
Yeah. Um, KEC International has won new orders worth 1,000 crores across various businesses of civil transmission, distribution, cables. So this is positive. Vari Renewable Technologies received an LOI for EPC services for setting up a solar power plant with capacity of 52.6 megawatt. And this will be completed in FY24 itself. So this is positive for Vari Renewable Technologies. Thank you.
Good morning. A new IPO by the name of RR Cable Limited is opening today and it will close on 15 September. Price is rupees 1035 per share and the total issue is 1964 crores, which actually consists of fresh issue of 180 crores and offer for sale rupees 1784 crores. The market cap will be 11,676 crores on listing. The company, that is RR Cables, actually provides consumer electrical products that is used for residential, commercial, industrial and infrastructure purposes. It is one of the leading players in W&C, that is wire and cable industry, with approximately 89% of its revenue being generated from W&C segment, and now it has fast growing FMEG segment with 11% share in its total revenue. The domestic and export market mix is 77 is to 23. It is the fastest growing consumer electrical company among the peers in India, which is growing at CAGR of 31.2% from FY 2020 to FY 23. It As of now, it intends to focus on manufacturing value added FMEG products that enjoy higher profit margins such as premium decorative fans and downlight panels, ensuring presence across various price points to increase the contribution of premium FMEG products to FMEG portfolio. The management also intends to double the market share and retail outreach in domestic house wires. For now, the company's B2C sales is 75%, which is high as when compared to its peers like Polycab and KEI Industries. This provides for visibility of accelerated growth in coming years. It is being offered at reasonable valuation at 61.8 times of FY23 earnings. Hence, we recommend subscribing to the issue from long-term perspective. Thank you.
Commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you very much, Jian. Good morning, everyone. So in yesterday's session, we
Harshal, you are not audible.
am I audible now?
Yeah, your voice is very low. Maybe your volume is low.
Okay, thanks. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we might see silver one can initiate buy if it is sustaining above 71,600 and maintain a stop loss of 71,000. On upside again 72, 300, 500. Hello. Pardon. So one can buy on dips silver and gold prices are correcting a bit and there could be some pullback till 58,800, but again there could be some pressure and we might see 58,500 on downside. So all in all, dollar index, we are, as long as dollar index is maintaining below 105 levels, we are expecting the commodities to pull back and crude oil, it is trading in a positive trade territory and we remain positive on it, and one can buy around 73.20, 73.30 and maintain a stop loss of 72.50. On upside again, 7400, 7450 is the target we are looking for. Natural gas, we had seen yesterday, prices have rallied from 217 odd levels to 230. So again, buy on dips is the strategy. 224, 225 is the level we are looking to buy, and on upside again, 237, 240 is the target we are looking for. Um, so buying with the stop loss of 216 is recommended. Um, in metal front, copper, one can initiate a buy if prices are sustaining 729 levels with a stop loss of 724. On upside again, 736, 738 is the area we are expecting profit taking. Um, in zinc, one can initiate buy around 219 and maintain a strict stop loss of 217. On upside again, 222, 223, one can take profits. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD ANA, we are expecting the range bound movement. So one can initiate a long positions if we get any profit booking around 82.90 levels. So one can initiate a long position with a strict stop loss of 82.85 for the target of 83.03 and 83.07 levels, and on the higher side 83.07 act as a very important resistance level, so one can initiate a short positions with a stop loss of 83.15 for the target of 82.93 levels. In JP in GBP INR, one can initiate a short positions if we get any pullback around 103.78 levels with a stop loss of 104.07 for the target of 103.40 and 103.30 levels. Thank you.